Your dog's food might be making them sick. Fillers like corn, wheat, and soy may bulk up the bag, but they bring nothing to the bowl, offering little to no nutritional value. While fillers and additives might improve appearance and extend shelf life, they can also cause allergies, digestive issues, and even long-term health risks for your animal. That's why Trasana's products are 100% natural, science-backed, and completely free of fillers, because your animals deserve nothing but the best. Make the switch to filler-free and see the difference for yourself.